Environmental protection. Recycling electronic waste, e-waste, helps reduce the harmful environmental impact of improper disposal. Many electronics contain toxic substances, such as lead, mercury, and cadmium, which can leach into soil and water when dumped in landfills. Recycling ensures that these toxic materials are safely processed and kept out of the environment. Conservation of natural resources. E-waste contains valuable materials, such as gold, silver, copper, and rare earth metals. Recycling electronics recovers these precious resources, reducing the need for mining and extraction, which can be environmentally damaging. By reusing these materials, we help conserve natural resources for future generations. Energy savings. Recycling e-waste typically uses less energy than producing new electronics from raw materials. Extracting and processing metals from e-waste requires less energy than mining, refining, and manufacturing new products. This energy-saving process helps reduce carbon emissions associated with electronic manufacturing. Reduction of landfill space. The amount of e-waste being produced globally is increasing, and much of it ends up in landfills. Recycling e-waste prevents it from taking up valuable landfill space and reduces the overall waste burden on communities. Reduction of greenhouse gas emissions. By recycling e-waste, we reduce the need for new manufacturing, which in turn decreases greenhouse gas emissions. The extraction, transportation, and processing of raw materials for new electronics are energy-intensive activities that contribute to climate change. Recycling electronics minimizes these activities and lowers the carbon footprint. Economic benefits. Recycling e-waste creates jobs in the recycling industry and encourages the development of new technologies. The collection, sorting, and processing of electronic waste provide economic opportunities, contributing to a green economy. Additionally, the recovery of valuable materials from e-waste can be a source of revenue. Prevention of hazardous health effects. Improper disposal of e-waste can expose workers and communities to hazardous chemicals and materials. Recycling e-waste properly ensures that toxic substances are handled safely, protecting public health and reducing the risk of disease and poisoning associated with exposure to harmful components in electronic devices. Promotion of sustainable innovation. Recycling e-waste encourages the development of sustainable technologies and practices in the electronics industry. By focusing on recycling and resource recovery, manufacturers are motivated to design products with fewer hazardous materials and improved recyclability, leading to more sustainable electronics in the future. Support for a circular economy. Recycling e-waste is a key component of the circular economy, where products and materials are reused and recycled rather than disposed of. This reduces waste and maximizes the value extracted from materials, making the electronics industry more sustainable in the long term. Prevention of illegal e-waste dumping. Proper e-waste recycling helps prevent the illegal export and dumping of electronic waste in developing countries. These countries often lack the infrastructure to process e-waste safely, leading to environmental contamination and health hazards. By recycling locally, we can ensure that e-waste is processed in a responsible and sustainable manner. Recycling e-waste provides significant environmental, economic, and social benefits, helping to reduce pollution, conserve resources, and support a more sustainable and circular economy.